Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for high school exams. Start by listing subjects, then set specific goals for each study block and create a realistic weekly plan. Use short, focused sessions with plan breaks and rotate subjects to avoid burnout. Keep a simple checklist and adjust goals weekly based on progress. Stay flexible and track improvement to boost confidence before exam day. Try active techniques that make studying interactive and memorable. Test yourself often with practice questions and flashcards, then immediately check answers to reinforce learning. Explain topics out loud as if teaching someone else to reveal gaps in understanding. Create concise summary sheets for quick daily reviews and carry them for spare moments. These strategies turn passive reading into effective practice and help knowledge stick long-term. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your study space to life with clear audio and hands-free timers to keep sessions on track. It's small, affordable, and perfect for setting focus playlists or asking for quick homework help without interrupting your flow. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Set up a study environment that supports concentration and consistency. Remove phone distractions or use focus apps to block notifications during sessions. Keep your desk organized with textbooks, notes, and writing tools ready so you can maintain momentum. Experiment with light background music and different lighting to see what helps your focus. A predictable space sends a signal to your brain that it is time to study and be productive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.